Good morning students. I hope you all are doing well. In today's class we are going to discuss the question answers of chapter 3, that is variation in shelters. The past two videos we have discussed the question answer of chapter 1 and chapter 2. Today we will discuss question answers of chapter 3, variation in shelters. This chapter already I have discussed, and I will again like to remind you all that whatever slides of my PPT presentation I have given you, those slides are from your chapters. That means those slides are your chapter itself with the pictures which are there in your book, in your chapter. So in a way I am giving you the chapter, the book. So till now I have given you 3 chapters. We have discussed it. For the last 2 chapters we have done the question answers also. Today it is the turn of 3rd chapter, variation in shelters, and we'll start with take the correct option. As you can see on the screen, take the correct option. Question number 1. The number of Bhimbetka rock shelter is, 3 options are there: 700, 900, 7000. If you go through the slides again, you will find the answer. I've already asked you all to do it, so that while sitting with me now, you can just cross check your answers. Yes. So the first question, the number of Bhimbetka rock shelter is, the correct answer is 700. That is option A. Next question, bamboo and wooden houses are found in. Where do we find bamboo and wooden houses? Yes, we find those houses in earthquake prone areas. That is option C. Earthquake prone areas, option C. Third question, the earliest form of shelter for man where? Man started living in which type of shelter? What was the first shelter in which man lived? They were caves. So the earliest form of shelter for man were caves. That is option B. Now fourth, flat roofs houses are found in regions of high temperature, low temperature, polar regions. The answer is high temperature, like Rajasthan, Gujarat. Now come to question number 5. The volume of radio or television at night should be kept low, high, or none of this. At night, I think we should keep the volume of radio and television low. Yes, we have to keep the volume of radio and television low so that it doesn't disturb our neighbors. Now come to the next slide, that is fill in the blanks. Again the help box is given, so it is easy for you to locate the answers. Fill in the blanks, section B, question number 1. We live in society because we are dash on others for fulfillment of our needs. We live in society because we are dependent. We are dependent on others for fulfillment of our needs. Next, houses in hilly areas have dash roofs. Which type of roofs do we have in houses in the hilly areas? Yes, your answer is correct. That is sloping roofs. If you go back to the slides, you will find there is one picture also of a house with sloping roofs. Yes, in the hilly areas. So the houses in hilly areas have sloping roofs. Now third, stilt houses protect the dash from wild animals. Obviously those who live there. So what will be the word here? Appropriate word? Inhabitants. Inhabitants means those people who live there. So stilt houses protect the inhabitant from wild animals. Next, you can organize dash pool with neighbors. And the answer is carpools. You can organize carpools with neighbors. Next, in cities, flats are common because of dash and many people. Obviously, the land is limited. In cities, flats are common because of limited land and many people. I hope both this section of take the correct option and fill in the blanks are clear to you. Now come to the next slide. That is true false. State whether true or false. Question number 1. Huts were the earliest form of man-made shelter. Is it true or not? Man-made shelter. Obviously, man-made huts. They were the earliest form of shelter what man has made for himself. So this statement is true. Next, Bhimbetka rock shelters are 9,000 years old. Yes, that is also true. They are 9,000 years old. Next, the houses in the hilly areas have flat roofs. In the hilly areas, do we have flat roofs? No. We have flat roofs in areas where the temperature is high. So in the hilly areas, which type of roofs we have? Sloping roofs. If you remember the fill in the blanks, we have done the same. So this statement is false, because the houses in hilly areas have sloping roofs, not flat roofs. So the statement is false. Next, we must never help our neighbors in case of emergency. Do you agree? क्या हमें अपने नेबर्स की कभी हेल्प नहीं करनी चाहिए? नहीं, ये तो गलत है ना, हमें करनी चाहिए हेल्प. तो ये स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा आपका? फॉल्स, बिकॉज वी मस्ट हेल्प आवर नेबर्स इन केस ऑफ इमरजेंसी. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. नेक्स्ट, मोस्ट पीपल डू नॉट हेजिटेट टू थ्रो गार्बेज ऑन स्ट्रीट. बहुत सारे लोग सड़क पे कचरा फेंकने के लिए बिल्कुल भी हेजिटेट नहीं करते. ये स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल सही है. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. Most people do not hesitate to throw garbage on street. The statement is true. Now children, we'll go to the next slide, and that is question answers. I hope there is no doubt in tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, or true false. So let's do the exercise. Question answers first. Answer briefly. Question number 1. What was the earliest form of shelter? And the answer is caves. Caves were the earliest form of shelter for man. I'll repeat the answer. Please write it properly without any spelling mistakes. Caves were the earliest form of shelter for man. Next question. What are the walls of hut made of in villages? Write down the answer. The walls of hut in villages are made of branches, leaves and mud. एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर रहे हैं. The walls of hut in villages are made of branches, leaves and mud. Question number 3. Why are some houses built with thick walls and flat roofs? Write down the answer. Some houses are built with thick walls and flat roofs to keep them cool in summers. I'll repeat it again. Some houses are built with thick walls and flat roofs to keep them cool in summers. Now question number 4. Give 2 advantages of high-rise apartments. What are the advantages of high-rise apartments? 2 are asked, so you write 2 points. The first point is, please write down, it make proper use of land. I'll repeat the first point. It make proper use of land. Second point, it provide accommodation, accommodation, accommodation. It provide accommodation to large number of people. I'll repeat both the points again. It make proper use of land. This is first point. Second point, it provide accommodation to large number of people. The next question. What is the advantage of neighborhood watch plan? Write down the answer. It is a wonderful way It is a wonderful way of crime prevention. It is a wonderful way of crime prevention and ensuring, ENSURING, and ensuring safety of residents, especially the elderly members and children. I'll repeat the answer again. It is a wonderful way of crime prevention and ensuring safety of residents, especially the elderly members and children. I hope answer briefly all the 5 question answers are clear to you. We'll now come to answer the following questions. And the first question is, what information do we get from Bhimbetka rock shelters? Okay, so there are, I think, 3 points there. So we'll write in points. The first point, these are permanent settlements of over 9,000 years old. I'll repeat it again. These are permanent settlements of over 9,000 years old. Second point, they are 700 in number. They are 700 in number. Third point, they give us a lot of information about the life, tools and implements of the early man. I'll repeat all the 3 points again. The first point is, these are permanent settlements of over 9,000 years old. Second point, they are 700 in numbers. Third point, they give us a lot of information about the life, tools and implements of the early man. Next question, list the changes that occurred in the life of man when he became a food producer. So here also I'll give you 2 points. The first point, they started living a settled life close to the water bodies. Second point, they started building huts with branches and leaves of trees. I'll repeat it again. They started, this is the first point, children, they started living a settled life close to the water bodies. Second point, they started building huts with branches and leaves of trees. Now come to question number 3. Give 3 reasons for regional variation in houses. 3 reasons are asked. We'll write it. Write the answer. The regional variation in houses arises, ARISES. The regional variation in houses arises from differences in landforms, climate, material available for building a house, and of course money that one wants to spend on land and construction. I'll repeat the answer again. The regional variation in houses arises from differences in landforms, climate, material available for building a house, and of course money that one wants to spend on land and construction. Next question. What are the responsibilities of a good neighbor? Here also I'll give you 4 points. The first point is to keep the volume of radio and television low. I'll repeat it. To keep the volume of radio and television low. Second point, not to use noisy equipments at night. I'll repeat it again. Not to use noisy equipment at night. Third point, inform in advance to neighbor if having party. I'll repeat it again. Inform in advance to neighbor if having party. And fourth point, always be ready to help your neighbor in case of emergency. I'll repeat the answer again. There are 4 points. First point, to keep the volume of radio and television low. Second point, not to use noisy equipments at night. Third point, inform in advance to neighbor if having party. And fourth point, always be ready to help your neighbor in case of emergency. So these were the question answers. We have done tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, and question answers, true false also. And after this, what your job is to write it neatly in your classwork copies. Don't make spelling mistakes. Check all the spellings before writing in the fair copy. And if you want, you can write with pencil. I don't have any problem with that. Already I think it is advised to you to write with pencil. So write neatly, make your copy beautiful, cover it properly, and in the next video we'll do the next chapter. Okay, till then, take care, good day.